Hi friends, welcome to our new video where we'll be talking about types of circuit breakers. Without wasting time, let's start this video. Electrical panels are an important part of any building's electrical system. They help distribute electricity from the source to various circuits within the building. There are many components of electrical panels, and today, we'll be discussing some of the most important ones. Miniature circuit breaker, MCB. MCB, as the name suggests, it is a small circuit breaker used in electrical panels to protect circuits from overload and short circuit faults. MCBs are commonly used in homes and offices where the electrical load is relatively low. They are available in different current ratings and can be easily replaced in case of a fault. Molded case circuit breaker, MCCB. MCCBs are similar to MCBs, but they are larger and more robust. They are designed to handle higher current ratings and are commonly used in industrial and commercial applications. MCCBs also have adjustable trip settings, which allows them to be customized for specific applications. Residual current circuit breaker, RCCB. RCCBs are designed to protect people from electric shock by detecting and interrupting current leakage. They are commonly used in areas where the risk of electrical shock is high, such as bathrooms and kitchens. RCCBs can detect leakage currents as low as 30 mA, making them highly sensitive and reliable. Earth leakage circuit breaker, ELCB. ELCBs are similar to RCCBs but are older technology. They also detect and interrupt current leakage but are less sensitive than RCCBs. ELCBs are commonly used in older buildings. However, RCCBs are now more commonly used due to their higher sensitivity and reliability. Residual current circuit breaker with overload protection, RCBO. RCBOs combine the functions of an RCCB and MCB in one unit. They detect and interrupt current leakage while also protecting against overloads and short circuits. RCBOs are commonly used in residential and commercial applications. They are also available in different current ratings and can be easily replaced in case of a fault. Arc fault circuit interrupter, AFCI. AFCIs are designed to detect and interrupt arcing faults, which can cause electrical fires. They are commonly used in bedrooms, living rooms, and other areas where electrical cords and wiring may be hidden. AFCIs can detect and interrupt arcing faults as low as 5 amps, making them highly reliable. Ground fault circuit interrupter, GFCI. GFCIs are similar to RCCBs, but they are designed to protect against ground faults, which can cause electrical shock. They are commonly used in areas where electrical equipment is used outdoors or near water, such as swimming pools and outdoor power outlets. We will upload the second part of this video soon. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.